I can hold it with one hand, but don't worry, let's unbox. If you're new, just make sure you like the video and subscribe, because more videos right here on this platform. There are lots of videos about Oraimo products. So yes, let's start with the bass go boom. That's what Oraimo is saying about this device. Okay, so unboxing is very simple. It's just this and a little rubber here on the left and on the right. And what else? Okay, and that's all. Okay, so yes, and that, and we have this, we have that, we have the device itself. Yes, so let's take the device out, but make sure you like the video. Okay, make sure you like the video, because more videos will come right here on this platform. So this is the Oraimo Boom bass device. Okay, so as I told you, it's not that heavy to carry along, but when you look right here, we have the controls right here, where we have the minus for the previous, and then the plans for the next song, or to increase or decrease the volume, and then we have the light to control the light as well. But let me just first turn on the device for you to see how the device sound for the first time, and then later I will just give you my review about the device later in another video, telling you all my experience with the device. Okay, so just stay tuned right here on this platform. You like and follow me all this you can right here on this platform. So let's turn on right now. Power on. So when you turn on, one of their features is that you they have this light right here. So I will turn off my light, and then I will let you see how colorful the light is. So this is how it looks like. Okay, and it also goes according to the song that you are playing. So let's say you are playing a song and then the bass goes like up and down, it will also be reacting to that one. Okay, so it also has that, but I'll let you know of everything in the review. This is just to show you some of the features. Okay, and at the top of it, with the button, I did not finish with that. We have the play, and then we have the menu. This device supports FM and also Bluetooth. Okay, so even if you are not okay with the Bluetooth, you have the FM to also listen to radio as well. Now we have this button which looks like infinity button, and what that infinity button does is that if you have two of this, it can connect at the same time and play at the same time. And you know, for me, I'm always curious with one or two things, so because of that, I bought two of these to prove to you that it is working or it is not working, and that will be in the review. But we had the device right here. Let's bring it along, and then let's continue with the unboxing as well. So as you're getting ready to play our first song, this is the second device. Okay, it's also the same thing. All right. Okay, make sure you like the video and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform, because more videos you can right here on this platform. Okay, so you can see right here. So let me turn this one on as well. Power on. And then let's see. Okay, so you can see it for yourself. All right, so the moment you press on the infinity key, okay, when you press on the infinity key like that, just once, you'll just hit connected. So the moment it gets connected, you will see that the plus sign on the infinity will show a light, okay, that it has been connected, and then you tap on it to disconnect it. So when the moment I tap on the infinity, you will hear connected. So listen carefully. Pairing. You heard it. So when you tap on it right on this particular device, this device will say connected. Okay, so now let's tap on that and then listen right here. Connected. Hope you heard it. So these devices, let's try to connect, and then let's shut down one and then listen to one first before we talk about that. Let's turn on the lights and then let's continue with it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos right here on this platform. So now we are getting connected to the device. The device name is Oraimo Boom. Oraimo Boom, just because of how it will sound, because of the bass. So mostly this device is Oraimo boom bass. Okay, yes. So now we are connected. Let's try to play a song from one of my favorite artists. Okay. Okay, so listen according to the sound per the volume that I'm giving you. Okay, so this is volume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I won't fly go higher. I really wanna be great before I pass out. I really wanna be. Okay, so you heard the boom, the bass from the device, but as I said, I will give you my final review. Just make sure you just like the video for me, this right here on this platform, and let me just check this one out for you. Okay, with the light, you'll be asking, so is it going to be on forever and ever? No, it has this button where you can turn on and off the light right here. So as I tap on it, it will also change. So maybe you don't want that colorful light blinking like that, you can change it to this one where it will go this way. Okay, so the moment you tap on it, it will also change. So you tap on it again, where you can tap on it for the last time, where it will shut down the light. So the moment you tap on it, it will start just like you are seeing right now. So yes, this is the Oraimo Boom bass, and this is some of the specification that I can see with the device. We did not finish with the unboxing in the box, so let's go back to the box. And inside the box, let's see what we have right here. Let me take this one. We have, I'm taking this one not because there is nothing in there, there is something, but I just choose to go for this. So inside is, we have the Type-C cable right here, Type-C cable with us. Okay, so we have these two for you, and then also we have the manual for you, and that's all. And one thing is, you can also connect a microphone to this. Okay, now let's go back to where we have the USB, the DC, the aux, everything. So you can see right here for yourself. At the back of it, you can see we have the port. This is the microphone port that I'm talking about, that you can connect, let's say your guitar or those things right here. Okay, even normal microphone, you can connect right here, then you can speak it and then the person can hear you. I will let you know of that, whether it is working or not. And also we have the USB port right here, the aux, and then we have the DC port where you can charge the device. I'll let you know the charging time, and then also when you charge this device to the full charge, how long does it take for it to last, and all those I'll let you know. Just stay tuned right here on this platform. And then we have the reset hole right here, where you can reset your device if it is not turning on or you are facing any thing about the device. Okay, so this is all that I can say with the Oraimo Boom Pop. There's not Boom Pop, there's Oraimo Boom Bass. Okay, yes. So mostly when you try to connect on the Bluetooth, you will see Oraimo Boom. So that's the Oraimo Boom that we have right here, two that can connect and play at the same time. And with that, it is working, but I'll let you know more with the review. What I need to do is to subscribe to this channel for more videos right here on this platform. I will see you again in another video talking about this product, whether they are superb or they failed or not. Stay alive, and I will see you in the video. Bye for now.